2. Names of components. 2-1. Front view. Alignment base. Hardened treatment to protect the alignment base. Alignment knob. Fixed block. Primary edge resharpening port. Secondary clearance angle port. End gash port. Power switch. Handle. Serial number. Rubber base. 2-2 side view. Knob. For 2 and 4 flute and mill ER collet holder set. For 3 flute and mill ER collet holder set. ER collets. 4mm Allen key. 2-3 back view. Voltage. 2-in-1 power socket. Fuse base. Hole for grinding dust out.